गोयचे काँग्रेस खासदार केंद्राकडच्यान गोंयाक येतात ते पैसे आडोवपाचे काम करतात असो आरोप भाजपान केला। विरोधक तथ्य नाशिल्ले विषय घेवन वाद करूंक सोदतात म्हूण दोतोर मिस्कितान टिका केली।
Shantaram Naik, member of the parliament, who had the audacity to tell the people of Goa that he, along with Mr. Sardina, will ensure that no funds are released to the government of India for boosting tourism in this state. I take this as an offence to the people of Goa, which in the past no other member of the parliament has indulged in. This is the first time a member of parliament has indulged in such an offence to the people of Goa by saying that I will see to it that the money is not being given released to the government for the projects. That a UPA government gives step-motherly treatment to non-Congress governments in the centre because of the direct interference of the members of the parliament whose main aim is to block the state projects.
कुठ्ठाळे एके बायलेचें घर मोडलें। आपूण कामार गेल्ले कडेन दोगा जाणांनी कामगारांक घेवन आपलें पुराय घर जमीनदोस्त केलां अशी पुलीस कागाळ कुठ्ठाळेचे हेलनावाजान केल्या। तिका 1.5 लाखाचें लुकसाण जालां। इतले मजगतीं पणजे सांतिनेज महापालिकेन एक घर मोडलें। डेविना मास्कारेन्साचें घर बेकायदेशीर अशें मामलेदार म्हणटा। घर मोडचे पयलीं नोटीस दिवंक जाय आशिल्ली अशें डेविनाचो पूत म्हणटा।
हांव जेन्ना सकाळीं ऑफिसान गेलें तेन्ना मागीर देनपाचे कोण हांगा लेबर्स आयले हुंय आनी म्हाजें मोडलें आनी मागीर म्हाज्या ब्रदर इन लॉन फोन केलो म्हाका की तुजें घर मोडटा म्हणून। मागीर हांव पुलिसांक घेवन हांगा आयलें। बाय द टायम हांव येता म्हणल्यार तें घर मोडून तेंच्यांनी काबार केल्लें। हें कितें घडलां तें सरकारान हाचेर लक्ष घालचें आनी कितें तरी म्हाजें कंपल्सनेट अरावंड 1,50,000 आसा तो म्हाका परत दिवचो म्हणून।
Illegal structure carried by Divina Mascarenhas from Santinez. As per the demolition orders, he demolished these structures. The CCP has requested demolition scare, Deputy Collector, to provide demolition scare. Demolition team has been provided by the Deputy Collector, and accordingly this order is implemented.
ते निगा हुमटी बांधलेली मागीर भाटकारान सांगले तुम्ही धाकटो जागो तुम्ही बांदान तुम्ही रावा म्हणून। नोटीस येवंकूच ना तेकाच लागून म्हणटा नोटीस येयना आसा तुम्ही मोडूंक जायना नोटीस धाडूंक जाय न्हू।
भारतीय फुटबॉल मळार सध्या कोफुसावाचें वातावरण जालां। ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशन आनी आय लीग क्लबां मदीं पेटलां। ताका वेगवेगळीं कारणां आसात। AIFFची कामाची पद्दत बरोबर ना अशें आदलो गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेचो सचिव सावियो मेसायस म्हणटा।
With me now is the former secretary of the Goa Football Association and a man who was also considered quite close to becoming the secretary of the All India Football Federation a couple of years ago. Savio Messias, the way the things are panning out in Indian football, it looks like to be a mockery of some sorts at present. So what's your reading about the situation now in Indian football?
Well, there have been two major issues recently. One is the fight between the clubs and the federation with regard to the I-League and the so-called league which they are about to promote. Well, my simple reply to that is the I-League is about 16 years old. It's been getting from bad to worse. It's reached a stage now where not even 100 people buy tickets to watch a match. Now here I would blame both the stakeholders, the federation as well as the clubs. So what does a sponsor do? The sponsor needs to repackage and sell the league to and earn some money. So he decides to repackage the league and have it differently. Well, I don't fully agree with the idea, but finally the bottom line is they need to make money and they need to be a successful league. The second issue which we have been tackling recently is the registration fees which the AIFF has levied. Now that's very, very steep. It's very steep in the first place. The second place, not many associations in Goa, in India, besides GFA and IFA and WIFA probably and another one or two more, have an office and have a registration system. Most of the states don't even have an office. So until and unless the states pull up their socks and have an office and have an administration system, then only you can start registering of players. Otherwise you'll have just 4 or 6 states registering the players and the rest of the states will have nothing to do.
इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.